ba? And then we are here. We are going inside the restaurant. Hi, good afternoon. Dito kami guys sa loob. We are inside here. Ganda ng view. Ayan. Kahiya kasi magsalita eh. Dalawa lang. Ano daw? Ano daw? Ah?
Parang marami.
Pero ano? Yan ah. Ha? May?
Kasal. Ay, maganda lang tayo dito.
Mag-sign ka na? Ay, hindi. Wala pa. Yung antayin natin. Okay guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye everyone.